In today's video, I will teach you how to remove wrinkles and smoothen skin in photos using PicMonkey. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit in PicMonkey. Once the image is uploaded in the editor, go to the sidebar and select Touch Up. This will open a new toolbar which consists of a toolkit for retouching your image. And like anything in PicMonkey, these are all beginner-friendly. To zoom in closer to the subject's face, you can either press the zoom in button at the lower left side of the editor, or you can simply use the scroll wheel of your mouse while hovering over the general direction where you would like to zoom in. Now, go to the sidebar and select Touch Up. Under the skin category, select the airbrush option, which you can use to remove wrinkles. Here, you can change the brush shape as well as the brush size first and apply the effect on the areas that need smoothening. Afterwards, you can adjust each parameter depending on how natural you would like the effect to appear. I highly suggest keeping the hardness above 60%, strength above 70%, and fade value at around 0 to 50%. This removes the majority of the skin textures that may be emphasized by the lighting of the photo but keeps the skin looking real. Now, if the subject still needs skin smoothening, you can switch to the Skin Smoother tool. Here, you can simply apply the effect first on the areas that needs it. Then you can adjust each parameter to make the effect look more natural. Make sure to change the brush shape as well as the brush size to whatever your subject needs. Then adjust the hardness, strength, smoothening, and fade value to your liking. Keep in mind that the lower the fade value is, the stronger the effect will be. And a high fade value means that the effect will be more subtle. If you went over some areas that don't need effect, you can simply switch to the eraser mode and remove the effect on the areas that don't need it. Make sure to also remove the effect on the subject's eyebrow, eyes, and mouth. Now, simply click Apply to keep the changes that you've made. To see the before and after of the effects that you applied to the subject, simply go to the lower left side of the editor and click and hold the before and after button. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.